stop scrolling. If you can understand these real Spanish conversations, you're already ahead of 90% of learners. Listen carefully and repeat with me. Let's make you sound natural, not like a textbook. What can I get you? ¿Qué le pongo? What can I get you? ¿Qué le pongo? A coffee with milk, please. Un café con leche, por favor. A coffee with milk, please. Un café con leche, por favor. Anything else? ¿Algo más? Anything else? ¿Algo más? How much is it? ¿Cuánto es? How much is it? ¿Cuánto es? Here you go. Aquí tiene. Here you go. Aquí tiene. Excuse me, where is the museum? Perdón, ¿dónde está el museo? Excuse me, where is the museum? Perdón, ¿dónde está el museo? Go straight for 2 blocks. Siga todo recto 2 calles. Go straight for 2 blocks. Nothing. Why? Nada. ¿Por qué? Nothing. Why? Nada. ¿Por qué? Want to go to the movies? ¿Quieres ir al cine? Want to go to the movies? ¿Quieres ir al cine? Sounds good. What time? Suena bien. ¿A qué hora? Sounds good. What time? Suena bien. ¿A qué hora? Where should we meet? ¿Dónde nos vemos? Where should we meet? ¿Dónde nos vemos? If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like. Comment part 2 below. Share it with your friends. And don't forget to subscribe. Because here, you'll learn real Spanish, the kind you can actually use.